Traditionally, using Outlook gave you access to a task manager. However, and that task manager still exists inside of Office 365. And you'll see that it's still called Tasks. However, Microsoft purchased an online task manager called Wunderlist. And since that time, they have incorporated the aspects of Wunderlist into their own to-do application that's an expanded view of tasks and gives you more options. We're going to take a look at Microsoft To Do right now. And when you click the Get Started button, what you'll notice is that the different aspects of your profile that you have seen from other applications is now incorporated into your To Do. You'll recall this list from our discussion of the onboarding application. Now, like Wunderlist, you can create a new list and you can create your to-do list based on that particular list and make it part of your routine. And what you can do is you can share the list with others on your team so that they'll have access to the list that you are working on. And like the Wunderlist productivity app, you have a feed of things that you are able to do and look at visually on a particular day. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.